Testing 1 2 1 2. Man, would you all pipe down? I'm not in any trades right now. I don't know what the fuck I am gonna do. Okay, just chill the fuck out. I was in a short for Jesus Christ. 250. 40 minutes. Off the 1 hour. That shit's already done. Nice. I'll move up here. Let's see. Let's take a look. See here. I'm expecting. I'll tell you what I shorted off of was this 1 hour. This 1 hour VWAP was just peaking down, but some of the higher ones, the 2 hour, 3-4 hour VWAPs coming up a little bit, even though it's like weak. It was like right here. I knew there was still a little. I felt there was still a little something, and I could have sliced it a little better. I think I was at like 200K at one point, but was able to squeeze like 80 grand out of it and so on. Yeah, right now I'm not in anything. Man, I had to stream, man. I had to stream, man, because I felt, you felt that, you feel that heart pounding fucking anxiety, you know what I mean? It was, man, nothing like it. So we'll see. We might be able. This might be. I might have to. Really, I wanted to put some short entries in. This is tough shit. Tough shit. Tough acting, acting. What can I say? I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm keeping my eye. Clear these charts. Man, when you can't argue the money, man. And I gotta admit, it's tough missing out. This is there is no money like short money. And man, shorts at times, for the most part, there's always exceptions, but for the most part, man, there's no money like that short money. It comes big, fast, and at least for me, normally I hate missing out on shorts. Shorts are the ones you hate missing out on. The whole way down, I was like, and even this pattern, man, I saw I just saw this shit coming, just like Just like when you see just like when you meet a fucking girl, people fucking text me for God's sake. God, my phone's been blowing up nonstop. I'm sure yours is too. Like when you meet that girl, or you meet that guy, and you just know, what little floofy monster do I have to juggle you too? You just have to be held. I'll hold you a little bit. This is all you want. You just want. You his big black wet nose. Can't you go back to sleep? We had the boys' night. Aren't you tired? You got love from everyone. You get enough love? No, you don't get enough love. There is never enough love. I'm glad this fucking, man, you gotta get this shit out of your lungs. We need another, fucking test on him. Sid, you're driving me fucking crazy. What was I saying? I was making a good point. Anyways, there's no money like short money. And you know what the thing is too? What's great when you get in a short like this, and when you get in a short and it keeps going down, it really feels good. And not only that, but unlike longs where the percentages get weaker as it gets higher, with shorts the percentages get higher as it goes lower. So your gains exponentially increase. And so the more the price goes down, man, the bigger the gains, and it really can stack up. It really starts to stack up, and it feels so good, especially when I don't know, it just feels good. It feels like, that's why I like trading. That's why I like long and Solano, and that's what people think able to do. Some of these shit coins, when you're able to leverage trade some of these shit coins on a good long. But there ain't no money like short money. In times like this, for sure, I'm definitely keeping my eye on the VWAP. See, I'm glad, man. I knew I had a little window, and man, this thing perked right back up. So we're keeping our eye. No, I didn't make. You gotta be, times like these, you have to check yourself and say, you know what? there's always going to be more in the future. Yeah, what's going on with the weekly? A couple people talked about the weekly. Let's take a look. Let me go to a different chart. Run by that. Go to a different chart. Something out the gate. That I will say that can give you hope. A very common, I won't say rule, I will say theory, is this gray line right here is the 60 lines, 60 mark on market cipher B. This gray line is the 60 mark. And it's an important mark. And typically, when we have a momentum cluster first breach the 60 line for the first time, typically there's at least one more wave to come. This is a deep gash in the money flow. This was a deep gash, one we haven't really seen before. It's crazy how little time on the weekly. It's like, what? Where the fuck? Okay, that's 2000. Man, it's that's 10 years. Isn't that fucking crazy? Time is short. Time is short. That's it. Look at the money flow on the 4-day. Gosh. This thing's been slim. 2-day doesn't look as bad. I can't. Is it not natural? Is it not natural to, you know, do this? We are in the second half of the month, too. Second half of the month. And you know what that typically means. This whole year, it's been beginning of the month up, second half of the month down, since sell and may walk away. I guess what I'm trying to say is that 64,000 was the top forever. Get fucked. I was right. I told you so. I'm right. I'm right. Just kidding. Just kidding. And, you know, we really haven't gone down that much. This is a 10%, 11% move down. You know, back in my day, we'd go down 30%, 40%, 50, 90. back in my day. But a 10% move in one day is no joke. Imagine if the S&P 500 dumped 10% in one day. Imagine with all the leverage. Can't help but to kick myself in the keister because when this 12 hours coming up, boom, we longed it, got out at 3.5–4%, made the money, and man, it was there when this momentum started to clip, and I didn't take it. I didn't take it. The news, there will always be something the news try to make sense. At the end of the day, what do they say about, like, anything, government, mob, bullshit? At the end of the day, you follow the money. And that's what I believe. In this, this is why we draw the circles. We assume the circle on the money flow, chop it into fours. And typically 3/4 in, that's when you start. That's when shit starts to be careful. That's why we sold in May, walked away. But it's hard. Especially if you're public about it. It's hard to do it when when everyone else is so bullish around you. Everyone else is doing it. Man, and I'm kicking myself. I have to kick myself in the ass too because this pattern. That's not the view. Where's the view that I really? There we go. That looks more like it. This fucking. Excuse my language. This pattern, man. We just talked about this. We just talked about this pattern. What? 2-3 weeks ago? Anyone remember? Maybe it's somewhere between 2 to 4 weeks ago. We brought this pattern up again. It is a bear pattern. Yeah, there's no money like short money, and I wish I got more of it. But hindsight is 20/20. And this shit's difficult sometimes. None of your friends want to listen to it? Man, I don't listen to my fucking indicators all the time. No, I'm not in a position anymore. This was a 40-minute position. I got in at like 250 out of 333. I was in this for 40 minutes. It was up to about 212,000. Got out at 80 something. My last video, yeah, 5-10%. Yeah, man. I mean, shit. Literally, one of the first things I said was, you know, those money flows, yeah. And I knew it was gonna be tough. We didn't get 5%, so we got what, 3.5-4%. But I showed the trade before, during, and after. Made it public before, during, and when I exited. And you know, in this money flow, man, it's down this tight. It's getting time. It's getting time. But I would say, who's to say it doesn't just end up like something like this again? But it is thin. It doesn't mean it can't come up again. It just means it has to give way a little bit. Sid, Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah, you know what? He scared me today. I was looking at the zero waiting interview comments, and a couple people are like, "Oh, it was great." Besides the man standing by her door, like a couple people said like that there was a ghost, and there's some stories about this house, actually, the previous owner. But as soon as I read the comment, as soon as I saw the comment about someone at my door, and I was like, I need to look at this video and see if my door moved on its own. As soon as I read the comment, and Sid opened the door and scared the shit out of me. Okay, can you go? I'm gonna give you one more treat, and then I'm not letting you go. Okay. This damn chart's too messy. Um, anyways, man, I was feeling it. I was feeling it. You know, I posted on Twitter. I was like, man, I short 6,400, and heart was pounding through my fucking chest. Not because of the trade, just because I feel it, man. I feel. I can, we all feel it. We all feel it. Just, there's nothing like it. Now, in May, so we technically are at same levels of money flow there. Let's brighten that up a little bit. Right there. And right there. You guys are entering now. Look, this looks like a man. Look, there's his little head. Here's his arm. Where did that come from? Did that happen when I was gone? So let's analyze this. And they always look a little different in this 10-year lifespan. There's always something a little different. Man, do I really have to go all the way back here? Interesting. What does it look like on the 6 hour now? I have to open up another chart, so I have to keep. This is deep. Very similar. Yeah. We're gonna mark that. Go to the website, brother. The costs are on the website. The different options. What time frame was that? There we go. We got a little potential curvature there. 5 yellow X's. Thank you, Steven. You can do it, brother. Stay focused. Discipline. Man. Let's look at ETH. What are some shit? What's Solano doing? Alright, what's Ripple doing? Back down to 109. What's Cardano? Sheesh. You know, we have a nice dotted green line right here to mark right where the money flow is exactly. Now this is the 12-hour, man, and this is a little worrisome, you could say. Look at that, this is just getting started. This could be just getting started, man. $3,700. Let's see, that was, what was this first one? 40? 40%. 26.
She bottomed. We're going all in.
There you go, Bitcoin. Dang, I should have loaned. Grass is always greener. Boy, ain't that the truth. Ain't that the truth. And, potential little curvature here on the VWAP. Gotta see how that plays out. This market could fool you, man. This shit can fool you. You know, this thing's been going down, coming up a little bit down, up a little bit down. It's just been chopping people all the way down. You know, man, it just kind of depends what time frames you want to play. Fuck, we should be in the lawn right now. We're streaming. Yeah, of course. I wish I would have longed the bottom. Wish I would have shorted the top. That's how it always is.
We have a V.
You got in long at 58.50? Jeez, did it go that low? Yeah, it did. If this darn... Oh, there's a green one. It's gold. Hmm. Yeah, man, I wish it was still like dump action like it was before. I wanted to stream so we could have that anxiety together. What? Uh, you know, nothing else I can really say here with confidence, man. Besides, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But you can't win 'em winner. You can't win always get what you want, but mm, I blame bingo in Monday Night Football. I think I'm gonna take solace in that. I had to have company over, and bingo, I'm gonna place blame on that. Because if there wasn't Monday Night Football or bingo, I would have played everything perfectly. I would have nailed the top, entered the bottom, and done it twice. Okay, we're on the 6 minute. Alright, now we got something to actually kind of look forward to. It is, all these waves are just weird looking let's see where this goes. It is the first time money flow has technically come from the red into the green after this dip in one day. The question is, how much is it gonna zig and zag? Just like our Saturday or Sunday trade when we exited the long. Could have gone down, didn't know if it was gonna go down a little bit, or go down to our entry, or go down an extra 10% like it ended up doing today. But if I was bullish right now, I guess I would be looking for at starting with this momentum wave to see what happens with this. Start there for clues and just scan side to side, front to back. Damn, we should have been looking at the 1 minute. I totally would have nailed that. Oh, we should have loaned. You know, overall, it's got another chance at bat right here, as it did before and failed. But one fail forward. I always hated that saying in like shitter startup corporation. Fail forward. I love to fail because I get to learn new things. I'm just a shitter. I just make shitty decisions and I fail forward. One of the dumbest things I've ever heard. You know, I was hoping when I started this stream that there'd be a position we would find that we could enter, but you know. Oh, look at the 1 minute. Yeah, I should have longed down here. Oh. I sold all my crypto. Now I need to buy back in at a higher price. Oh no. Man, I've only read 2 books my whole life from cover to cover. Shit, just looking at shit yourself, looking at patterns and typing in random indicators, and there's a couple programs that helped me along the way, I guess. Part of me does just want to throw a mill at this. Oh, my P&L. This does look like one of them little skippies. This could be a little skippy. Prozac, bro, I've been streaming all night. We did bingo. I'm fucking chilling. Alright, fucking Prozac, hell no, man. Oh, damn, look at her go. Hmm. I don't want to front run patterns, but we have seen this before, something like this before. Either where it turns into like just like a mirrored kind of like stealth bomber head and shoulders type thing, and it goes up. And I feel like I have a faint memory of some other more bullish shit, but I'm just talking out of my ass. 427. Oh boy. Almost came right down to our little eye there. I bought some new flashlights too. They're nice ones. The last couple flashlights I tried to buy were cheap pieces of shit. Pissed me off. Come down and get that one, but oh well. at work? I hear you, buddy. Oh fuck, we shouldn't have longed, huh? Fuck. I'm blaming you guys if this trade ends up going south. 100%.
Oh, now all the fucking bears. It's retesting the bottom. It's retesting the bottom. Yeah, it's fucking dropping hard. Now you guys want to come out and tell me you think it's fucking dropping hard, retesting bottoms? Where were you 10 minutes ago?
Yeah. Certainly, no, listen, hey, boys, it's dangerous. But, listen, listen. Come on, man. You see? You're failing forward. um, what the hell? Do I have some other shit or entries here? I don't want these entries here. What in the hell? What in the hell? Um, Alright, what were we doing here? Market exiting. Fuck this. Just kidding. It's all going to shit. It's all going to shit. We should have looked at the 30-second. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. My guess is, hopefully this fucking, comes down maybe, no more than there, and, or don't come down at all. Fuck, it's going down $150. Fuck! I never thought that would happen. It's not supposed to do that.
This is manipulated. Tired of this manipulation.
Any man stones fucking sick.
Yo, what do you guys? I'm on stream. What are you guys doing?
We
Geeking out, bro, playing Rust.
Where?
Clutching our bag, clutching my bag.
You're playing Rust too?
I'm gonna depot this. I'll pick you up in a second.
Okay.
The whales are messing with us, man. I don't think I can sit here. I don't think I can sit here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to sit here and fucking stream for another 4 hours, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Unless the price starts going up. Actually, when the price goes up, I can actually leave. That's when I can leave. That's when the pencil necks. Oh, we got pencil necks. We got pencil necks. Oh, they're gonna disappear. They're gonna disappear. Nah, I left the call. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, boys, alright. Definitely you want to be careful, careful, not married, not married any trades here. Oh, the RSIs. It's making a fucking teacup sandwich pattern. You know, once in a while it feels good to get dumped on, you know? It's kind of like my theory was always, if you're with the right chick, a hot enough chick, anything goes, just no gay shit. Like, nothing up my ass. No one's going up my ass for any reason, nor should you want to. But if you're, you know, if the bitch is bang enough, you know, you can shit on my chest. I don't give a fuck. She's hot enough. And it's kind of like, that's kind of like what once in a while getting dumped on by Bitcoin is. Like, it's, complicated. But if you embrace it, there's upside to it. You can only go up from there. Like, you can either cry about getting shit on, or get shit on, and smile. That's actually probably taking it way too fucking far, to be honest with you. Maybe we should have just said the Russell Crowe when he says, I once knew a man that said death smiles at us all. All a man can do is smile back. That's what I should have said. Yeah, the shitting definitely ain't cool. You definitely don't want no turd surprise. Like, that's actually something I'm like paranoid about when, you know, you got a thumb up there, or, you know, something you never know what you're gonna feel in there, and you feel a little, you're in there and you feel a little something, and you don't know if they know that if they felt what you felt.
You're done chewing your bone. Now you get to poke me with your little nose, your cold nose. You get to poke me with your nose. These whiskers.
Oh shit, we're up like 10 grand. Alright, we'll take it. This is kind of, you know, speaking of shit, the whole, man, I'm fucking, the whole throwing shit at the wall. Oh, the more shit you throw at the wall, the more it sticks. I never fucking like that saying either. I don't like shit on my walls.
Give me a toy. Give me the squirrel or the rope. Come on. Jesus, he wants to play. You just want to wrestle. Give me the rope. Jesus Christ.
Oh shit, what the hell is going on here? Oh. Where's the pencil next now? We had 2 or 3 like weeds sprout up at one flash of a second. And just as fast as they sprout, they crumble.
You just want to be with Daddy. Yeah.
You know what I need to buy? The fuck is that? These fucking ghosts and shit.
Is this your bone? Is this your bone? Look at your bone.
Thanks for reminding me. I want to buy one of those. I saw it on TV, but it's got to make your laptop run hella hot, but it's like a dual monitors that you put on your laptop, and so you have 3 monitors on your laptop. That way I could lay in bed and fucking watch a movie and do this shit. Let me look that up right now. Laptop monitor attachment. Mobile pixels douche plus pro. Does anyone use those before? Does anyone have any experience using Oh, well, here's one where it just gives you one. That's probably better. I only need 2 screens. Well, yeah, I mean, I always have my laptop plugged in. If I'm laying in bed, I can just have my laptop fucking plugged in. I'm not at some coffee shop. This has a long way to go.
Gimme. Jeez. Gimme. Jeez. Oh!
Man, I've been streaming all night. We did bingo. I don't want any fucking music. Put on your own music. In fact, I'll see you guys later.